Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer USDT from Uphold to Metamask in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even more streamlined with the latest updates, but it's crucial to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both an Uphold account and Metamask wallet set up. You'll need some USDT in your Uphold wallet and your Metamask connected to the Ethereum network since USDT is typically on that blockchain. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those ready. Trust me, it'll save you time. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your USDT balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send options. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send button for USDT. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Now, switch over to your Metamask app or extension. Make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet, then copy your wallet address by clicking the copy icon next to it. Step 3. Paste that Metamask address into the recipient field on Uphold. Double-check it. Crypto addresses are long and unforgiving, so no typos allowed. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and review any network fees. Uphold might use the ERC20 standard for USDT, so keep an eye on gas fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm on Uphold to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the funds should appear in your Metamask wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Metamask balance to ensure everything transferred correctly. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this, and never share your private keys. Blockchain tech is awesome, but it's not foolproof. If you run into issues, reach out to Uphold or Metamask support. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.